Hello everyone, and do you want to get this fantastic effect using the Unreal Engine 5 in this virtual reality world? And now, today, I will teach you how to realize that. And actually, I just show you the video how to enlarge the character in front of us. And you just need to take out your two hands and to shape two gestures and combine them together. Then we can enlarge the status. Now I will teach you. The first one, you need to take out your right hand and shape it like this. And then you need to take out your left hand. Make this gesture like this. Okay, then combine them together. I will make one very handsome gesture. Yeah, that's the result. And in the following content, I will teach you how to realize that. So now, let us begin this tutorial. First, you need to open your browser. Now, this is an Edge browser. Then you can type IP games on the place. Then you can find this one. So please click it. Please find the right corner. You can download it. And after few minutes, you can get it. Then you can click it and install the software. And if your internet speed is high, so you can download it maybe within 1 minute. Okay, after you install it, and you can find it. This is Epic Games. You can download Unreal Engine 5 different versions from here. So let us click it. Now after you open it, you can find this library. Please click it. After you click it, you can find those two things. And maybe in your side, you have only one.
And there's 5.3.2, and you can click it, the triangle sign, and you can choose different versions here. For you need to click 5.4.4 to download it, and I click the 5.3.2, and I will take this as example to show you how to download the Unreal Engine version here. So actually, what you really need to download is 5.4.4, and now you can click it and choose the place where to download. You need to build one file. After you choose the place, choose the file, you can click install and wait for the installation. And actually now you need to download all of data, all of software, and then you can install it. It takes a long time, and it depends your internet speed. After a long time, and we have downloaded all of software, and it automatically installed the software. So now, and we can launch. Click it. After we click it, we need to wait for few minutes. It'll take a few minutes, then we can open the software. And we need to allow the software to connect with internet. Actually, after we downloaded the software, we can use it without any internet connection. We can also use it to create different projects. It is totally no problem. And now let us wait for its opening. If your laptop or PC is very great, and you can open it with fast speed. Now we opened the software. On this side we can choose different type of sample. I mean the project sample. You can see there are different versions here. The AR, VR, vehicle, and third person, first person, different version here. We can choose one of them as base. It will save a lot of time for us to make one project. In the next video, I will show you how to download the simple project as base, and then we can use this project to create a different fantastic project using our hand finger, and we can use our hand finger to combine different gesture to make different effects. Thank you so much. That's all for today.